some of you might have listened this word, intercession, before, and majority of you even never heard anything about intercession. And intercession, you might know the word intercede. You know intercede? Yeah. In Arabic, there is a word for intercession. This is shafa'at. What is the word? Shafa'at. Did you hear this word before, shafa'at? No. Some of you heard. So it's good for you who heard. And it's also good for you who never heard because you are hearing now. Shafa'at. What is shafa'at and why are we going to start this topic? Because some people from the Muslims, from Muslim groups, they are blasphemers of prophets, not only Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they are blasphemers of awliya, friends of Allah, they are blasphemers of shuhada, they are blasphemers of scholars, but they call themselves as the practical Muslim. They consider themselves as a practical Muslim, but in reality, they are the enemies of Islam. They refuse these things in which there is any aspect of respect of prophets, aspect of the respect of awliya, shuhada, salihin, muttaqin, God-fearing people. If there is any sign of respect, they refuse it like this. So this topic, what we are going to learn, this is about Aqidah. And we people, Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, we believe that on the day of judgment, when Allah's might and Allah's anger and Allah's powers will be at the extreme degree, I mean Allah Ta'ala will be very angry and everyone will be shivering with, trembling with fear. And no one on that day will dare to talk to Allah Almighty. No one, except one personality. And it will be our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I told you whenever you hear this word, you should say sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So Holy Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, on the day of judgment, he should be ashamed of. Oi, stand up. Use glasses, man. Stand up and go in the corner. Face to the corner. You think I am very generous and I am very kind to you and you mess about in class? Should be shameful. So on that day, Holy Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam will intercede on behalf of the prophets, on behalf of the shuhada, on behalf of the mu'mineen, believers. He will intercede in the court of Allah Almighty and he will ask to Allah Almighty that, "Oh Allah, start reckoning." What will happen on the day of judgment? Just imagine, if your teacher is angry with you, you feel something, you feel scared. If your parents are angry with you, you feel scared. But what about if Allah Almighty on the day of judgment, He is angry with the people? So the perspiration on the day of judgment, you know perspiration? Sweat. The perspiration will be coming down down from your body and people will be drowned in their own sweat. Just imagine how horrible will be that day for the people. So Allah's might and Allah's power and Allah's dignity will be at the extreme level. Everyone will be trembling with fear and no one will be able to talk to Allah Almighty. Just imagine if Allah Ta'ala is angry with anybody, obviously people will think that He is going to throw us in the hell. On that day, Allah Ta'ala even won't start reckoning. What is reckoning? Accounts. Judgment. He won't start. You are sitting in the court and judge, someone is a killer and he knows he is a killer and judge is there, he does not start reckoning, he does not start arguments of the solicitors. So at that time, between that time, the heart of a killer will be moving very hard and strike very fast because he knows what's going to happen. He knows that judge will throw him in the jail. And if it is in Saudi Arabia, if someone is a burglar, he knows that Saudi government is going to cut his hands. And if he is smuggler of heroin, they are going to hang him and cut his throat. And that is why there is no heroin in Saudi Arabia. Good, strict people they are. Right, the point is, when someone knows that this is very angry, judge is very angry, and he knows what he's going to do, so he will be about to die. But on the day of judgment, everyone already has died and they are given the life again. And then on that day, no one will dare to talk to Allah Almighty that, oh Allah, start reckoning. They don't talk to Allah Almighty about the reckoning because everyone knows, including the prophets, including all the prophets from Adam till Jesus.